Welcome to this week's Wisdom Wednesday, where we're exploring compassion and empathy. These qualities help us connect deeply with others, fostering understanding, kindness, and mutual support. Compassion is the language the heart speaks when words fall short. Empathy is stepping into another's shoes, not to change them but to understand their journey. A small act of kindness, driven by compassion, can create ripples that change lives. Empathy is the bridge that connects hearts across distances. Compassion isn't about fixing problems, but about showing someone they aren't alone. When you lead with empathy, you open the door to true understanding. Compassion doesn't just heal others, it transforms your soul. A listening ear, filled with empathy, is often the best comfort you can give. The simplest way to practice compassion is by being present in someone else's pain. Empathy is hearing what someone isn't saying and still being there for them. Empathy is the art of making someone feel heard, valued, and understood. Compassion turns strangers into friends and friends into family. A compassionate heart sees beyond flaws and focuses on the beauty within. Empathy fuels connection, while indifference builds walls. Compassion doesn't always solve problems, but it gives strength to endure them. To show empathy is to give another the gift of understanding without judgment. The world is brighter when we choose compassion over apathy. Empathy is the foundation upon which love and kindness are built. Compassion means seeing the humanity in everyone, even when it's difficult. Empathy can turn anger into understanding and division into unity. Through compassion, we learn to see the world not as it is, but as it could be. Empathy is the first step toward healing the brokenness in the world. Compassion is the heartbeat of a loving soul, seeking to ease the pain of others. You can't always solve someone's problems, but empathy lets them know they're not alone. Empathy transforms judgment into connection and opens doors to understanding. True compassion seeks to listen more than to speak, to understand more than to judge. The power of empathy lies in its ability to connect us, no matter how different we are. Compassion teaches us that every act of kindness matters, no matter how small. Through empathy, we learn that pain shared is pain lessened. Compassion asks us not to fix, but to stand beside those who are hurting. The more empathy we practice, the more healing we bring into the world. Compassion makes the world softer and more bearable for everyone. To practice empathy is to walk alongside someone, even when their path is unfamiliar. Compassion is not a weakness. It is a sign of profound strength. Through empathy, we begin to see the world not as separate, but as connected. Compassion lifts us higher by lifting others up when they are low. Empathy is a gift we give that costs nothing but means everything. Compassion doesn't demand perfection, it asks for understanding. Empathy is the spark that ignites kindness and compassion in others. A compassionate heart is never alone, for it is always reaching out to others. Empathy bridges the gap between different perspectives and shared humanity. Compassion turns fear into hope and pain into healing. Empathy allows us to see beyond our own struggles and acknowledge those of others. Compassion isn't just a response to suffering, it is the foundation of a better world. Empathy is the light we offer to those walking in darkness. Compassion is the heart's way of saying, "You matter and I am here with you." Thank you for joining us on this Wisdom Wednesday. As we reflect on compassion and empathy, remember that these qualities are powerful tools that can transform lives and heal hearts. Let your actions reflect kindness, and may your empathy guide you to connect deeply with those around you. Until next time, Keep spreading love and understanding. I'm your host, Abigail. Have a compassionate day.